Morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, this only we'll take now last class. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Community health nursing process. Community health nurse is responsible to provide general and comprehensive public health and nursing service to the people at large in defined community. It means nursing process means care can be done the making use of nursing process and principles are applicable in community setting means she want to provide the complete nursing responsibility in a community. Community health nursing process in a systemic, scientific. The community health nursing, sorry. Okay, community health nursing process is a systemic, scientific, dynamic, ongoing interpersonal process in which the nurse and the clients are viewed and the system which each affecting one and another and both being affected the factors within the behavior. And a community health nursing process refers to systematic serious steps which are followed the public health nurse in community health and nursing problem using community approaches and resources. This all as last class I took. Advantage. Community health nursing process is an effective tool. It helps people solve their health problem and meet their health and nursing needs. Okay, advantage is means help people solve their health problem and meet their health and nursing need. That is the advantage of the community health nursing. Okay, process is an tool to help to solve their health problem and meet their health and nursing needs. Next steps. Establish and maintaining working relationship. Establishing and maintaining working relationship, first step. Next one, assessment of health needs and health problems. Next one, setting objectives. Next one, planning and implementing intervention. Next one, evaluation of intervention. Okay, and steps in nursing process is the nursing diagnosis, planning, implementation, evaluation, and assessment. Okay, first one, establishing and maintaining working relationship. Community health nursing process is helping community people and family identify their health problem and develop competency to solve their health problem and meet their health and nursing needs. Same process advantage. What is advantage? Same than establishing, maintaining working relationship. Community health nursing process is helping community people. It is helping the community people and families and identify their health problem. Then you should identify their health problem and develop competencies to solve their health problem. Then develop the competencies and solve their health problem and meet their health and nursing need. Okay, that is the first point of establishing and maintaining working relationship. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Second one is, this is enabled when the community health nurse establishing a good working relationship with the families and communities. Same things. This is enabled when the community health nurse establishing. The community health is establishing a good working relationship with the family and the community. Next one is the working relationship is productive in nature. Okay. Next step is working relationship is productive in nature. Next point is the in working relationship between community health nurse and community people and families, there is a free dialoguing and an attitude of trust and confidence in the integrity and capabilities of each other to meet the health and nursing goals. It means she how maintaining a good relationship that community, either in one family, that time they can easily will capable to share the problem. Okay, that is the third point. Next one is a working relationship between a nurse and the community is initiated and maintained by the following means. But the first one, knowing the client community. Next one, communicating intention and nature of help and assistance would be extended. Next, attentive and listening and responding in between. Next one, answering her inquiries. Next one, considering their views. Next one, appreciating what is worthwhile. Next one, empathizing and attitude. Next, meeting their immediate needs and needs with the considered important by them. Okay, this is the relationship with the nurse and family. You should write establishing and maintaining the working relationship point. You should maintaining 2 or 5 points. Okay, up to here that first topic. Next one is the assessment of health needs and health problem. Second one, community health comes to know health needs and problem of the community.
Ma'am, your sound is not audible.
She want to know the problem that community. Okay, the problem could be large family size, malnutrition in children, incomplete immunization, anemia in pregnant and nursing mother, and several morbidity condition, TB, malaria, diarrhea. Okay, in this is the problem means she want to solve the problem. It means large family size. One family is so many members is there means so difficult to manage that family. Correct now? Next one is the malnutrition in children. Some children may be affecting the malnutrition. Next one is the incomplete immunization. Somebody not taken proper immunization. Next one is anemia in pregnant. In pregnant stage, anemia coming means so many difficulties that mother and that baby. Okay, that also one big problem. And nursing mother several morbidity condition, any morbidity condition like TB, malaria and diarrhea, anything is there means she want to go and she want to take the care that problems. Okay. Next, the priority is determined on the basis underlying criteria. The nature of the problem, it is prevalence, impact and prognosis. Any nature problem also she want to take the care. Next, community perception of the problem. Example, whether the problem is felt by the community and considered serious. Okay, community perception of the problem. Whether the problem is felt by in the community. That is, problem means coming from community is means that problem she want to solve. Next, preventive potential. Whether the problem can be prevented or not. That is the preventive potential. Whether the problem can be prevented or not. That time she want to solve the problem. Okay, this is the assessment of the health needs and health problem. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one is the settings
Yes,
of
ma'am.
Anybody? No. Settings, objectives. Third one. Once the problem are prioritized, it is very important to set the objectives related to each the problem of identified. Setting objectives. Once the problem are prioritized, it is very important to set up objectives relevant to each of the problem identified. It means one problem selecting means in that problem she should want to the priority. That priority she want to give and she want to solving the problem. Example, malnutrition. To assess the growth and development of all the under 5 children in a defined community, to find out malnourished children. Okay, any children affecting the malnutrition problem, that time she should assess the growth and development of children and maintaining the problem. To get the medical examination done for the all malnourished children. To get the medical examination, she want to advise to the parents to take the children in hospital and take the medication. Okay. To carry out the prescribe the treatment and provide care to all malnourished children. To carry out prescribe the treatment, prescribe the treatment and provide care to all malnourished children. Okay, that is the settings objectives. It means any types of disease affecting the in family, like that malnutrition example. Like that means she should want to the care the children and should want to the take the hospital and she should carry the prescribed treatment to the children. Okay. Next one is the planning and implementation of the intervention. Fourth one. This is otherwise called the action plan. Okay. Planning and implementation of intervention. This is otherwise called action plan. Once the objectives are formulated, it is necessary to identify intervention to be implemented to achieve the objectives. Now we are discussing any objectives. It means any types of the problem like that coming means she should take the action plan about that objectives. And okay, that is the planning and implementation of the intervention. This is otherwise called action plan. She want to take the sudden action to that against the problem. Okay, next one is the fifth, evaluation of affection planning. Evaluation of intervention determine the effectiveness of the action implemented, whether the desired result intended and achiever or not. Evaluation also help the finding out the reason for not achieving the desired goal. This help is to making further improvement, feedback and replan, re-implementation and re-evaluation. Evaluation and action plans. When she is taking the action plans, that she should want to evaluate whether the desired result intended and achieved or that result is a positive or negative. Okay, that is only evaluation of action plans. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Evaluation taking means this help making the further improvement. Is feedback and replanning. Any feedback is there and that again we want to replan and re-implement and re-evaluate the problem means it is solving. One time she is going and she is taking care of the children. Again she is coming back again not going and she is not taking any proper feedback or a replan that about that children means it is failure only. Okay, that's why evaluation of action plan is very, very important. Next one is the principles of community health nursing process. Principles of community health nursing process. Principles are rules for community health practice or action. The principles are rules for community health practice or action. This is provide guidelines to function in the community effectively, efficiently. This is provide guidelines to function the community effectively. This principle means we are taking the principle, we are following the principle means it is effectively affecting the community. Okay. Community health nurse must explore and know various aspects of define the community to be able to plan and implement the health service. She should plan the environment of the community and implement the health service. Community health nurse must make a map of the community showing the geographical boundaries, important the roads, streets, housing network, church, temple, mosquito, school, post office. This help to plotting the house for care. Okay, she want to know always the surrounding people, how many population is there, how many school is there, how many church is there, how many temple is there. Okay, and how many mosque is there, how and street, road, boundaries, all she want to know. That's why she make a map of the community and show the geographical boundaries and keep her hand that is good for working for her. Okay. Now finish that topic. Which one? Community health nursing process. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now second chapter finish. Understand? Okay, can you hear my sound? Nobody given an answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Audible.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Second chapter finished. Next one, I think which one? Anybody know? Third chapter.
Health assessment. Health assessment, ma'am. Health assessment.
Health care system.
Health. mm, Yes, ma'am.
Health.
Health assessment. Health assessment. Assessment.
Oh, okay, then I have a 2 class now. Evening also I have class. Correct now?
Yes, ma'am. 3 to 4.
Okay. In that class I will start the third chapter. You should make the notes and keep nicely. Then daily this ID and password for community helping us. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
No need to ask any ID and password. Same only this ID and password you use and come. Okay. Anybody?
Okay. No, ma'am.
Okay. Then next class whose class?
Anatomy.
Okay. Ready for anatomy class.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So I want to take attendance.